Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Friends, today I'm going to talk about one of the most beautiful flower of winter called chrysanthemum. I'm going to tell everything about chrysanthemum from the beginning till the end. From this small cutting, how my chrysanthemum are blooming so beautiful in my garden. I'm going to show everything in this video with update, all the fertilizer that I have used and the potting mixer I have used from the beginning till the end of growing of this chrysanthemum plant. So friends, if you like this type of blooms in your chrysanthemum plants too, you must watch this video till the end. From a mother plant, take 2 to 3 inch of cutting. Take the cutting from the young shoot so that there is a maximum chance of success. Now I am going to grow this cutting in 90% sand and I'll mix 10% of compost also. You can also grow your cutting in 100% sand only. Remove the leaves from the lower end of the stem which you are going to place inside the soil. You don't need to remove all the leaves. Take a suitable planter and fill it with your potting mixer. The size of the planters depend upon the number of cuttings you are growing. Using any tool, make a hole which is half to 1 inch deep and place your cutting in this hole gently. Now water the cutting in such a way that the cutting does not get displaced, and you don't need to water it too much, just water so that the soil get moist. Between 20 to 30 days, if you check your cutting, it will produce the root. I am checking it in 22 days and it has produced very nice root. Though you must have noticed that I have not used any rooting hormone while growing this cutting. You can take the rooting hormone also to grow the cutting. Now, since the cutting has produced very nice roots, it's time to transplant this cutting. Now, for transplanting this cutting, I am using 4-inch pot and a potting mixer in which I have mixed 60% sand and 20% compost. This is the result of transplantation after 1 month. Now it's time to be transferred in bigger pot and in new potting mixture. Now here we can use 6 to 8 inch of pot to transfer this. I'm using 6 inch of well draining poly bag. For transplanting my seedling, I'm going to use 1 part of compost, 1 part of garden soil and 1 part of sand, and I'm also going to use some fungicide and neem cake powder. First, fill the pot partially as you can see out here and place your seedling, and then fill the rest of the pot. This is the update of my plant after 1 month. You can see this plant has become very tall. Now I am going to pinch this today. You have to pinch the tip only, as you can see out here. After pinching, it is going to produce many shoots, and in coming days this plant will bloom heavily. Now talking about fertilizer, at this stage I have been using liquid mustard cake fertilizer and 3 granules of DAP for 6 inch alternatively in 15 days. And in every 15 days I'm also spraying neem oil to protect it from attack of insect and a pest. Today I am going to give a fertilizer to this plant. Before giving the fertilizer, I am going to make the hole at the side of the pot and then going to add few granules of DAP today in this hole and going to cover this with same potting soil. After giving a fertilizer, I am going to spray the water on its leaf and I am going to water this plant also, as you can see out here. Now friends, after some time my chrysanthemum plant has started producing the buds. Now you can see this is the same plant which I have pinched before 40 days. Now after 40 days of pinching, this is the update of my plant. Now I have also changed the fertilizer. Now at this time I am using NPK once in a 15 days. In 2 liters of water I mix 1 spoon of NPK and spray on this plant in every 15 days, and I am also using neem oil after every 15 days, and this is the results. Now friends, my chrysanthemum plant has started blooming. As you can see out here, it is blooming heavily. There are different colors of chrysanthemum in my garden. Some are single, some are double. I have sown the beautiful flowers of my garden in others video also. So this is the complete update of my chrysanthemum plant from the cutting till it blooms. Hope you like this video, and this video is going to be very useful. This is it for today friends. Take care of yourself, keep gardening, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.